Good morning, work basic. Good morning. First day of work, January 16, 2023. So we are here at Hanmer Spring. That's the view from the job site. So we are Riverstone Concrete Limited, based here in Christchurch, New Zealand, and we have our pump today, Martis pump, with Shane. Shane out. And this is the one we have today. Just a tiny one for our first day of work. So this, we are just waiting for the balance, and while we are waiting on that balance there, maybe it's more than 6 cube or less, maybe a truck less than 6 cube. So we are doing our rebate while we can still able to shape that thing. So I'll just do it while it's still soft, not that really soft, not watery, just a little bit of slurry to close up that everything.
Yeah, chuck the $100 in tax because it was like $2.70 something. Going from Nelson to Picton to the back road. And there's one on the way there. Right. Yeah. Right. That's actually filled up the car with 120 there. Yeah. So yeah, 180, 120, 300, and 100 will cut to 400. Is it only got 120 to fill yours? 180.
That might have about 120 to fill up. No. Like we got, if I didn't fill up the second day, so we drove, I filled up obviously afterwards before we left, and then took off. Drove around Grey Max that Thursday, and then the next morning filled up and run around back, and it's still on full of the and just got to.
I was surprised at how much for the same week. Fuck, I didn't think I probably just put it out there and on it, but
Yeah, we would have done close to that. Because I had to drive around a lot for us, we were like trying to get on the sleep as well. So we would just jump in the car and fucking drive around like sightseeing, like I went,
So
instead of going the fast way to
I'll just
the
wait
lake, I went to Kamara Junction,
another half an hour
back the other way, and we went down to Toki.
at least. It's easy to deal with that later on. Hi Shano.
How are you, buddy? You right?
All good.
Oh, you're videoing your bloody beautiful work, are you, mate?
I'm just doing that rebate while waiting for the balance.
Why not, eh?
Yeah. So, yeah, that's our first cut of our rebate. Makes it easy later. Again.
They're real natural, magnesium spray.
Okay.
Real good for the pipe.
Ayan na yan. So that's our first cut for our rebate. And then we'll wait half an hour and then we'll put a straight edge on this top corner of our rebate to make it straight. And then yeah, so we'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Concrete Basic. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.